the question we have is the same data shown in both graphs? Yes or no? Let's take a look. We are comparing the sales from one theater to another. We have Bud's Movies or Super Cinema. Bud's Movies sales was at 100 and Super Cinema was at 150 in this graph. And the same with graph B. Bud's Movies was at 100 and Super Cinema was at 150. The difference is that this one starts at 50 and this one starts at 0, but they really represent the same thing. So the same data is shown in both graphs. In figure A, how much did Save Store sell? Okay, it's not even asking us about figure B. So, Save Store, left store, lower price, sold 200. Okay. Oops. What? What did I mess up? Saves. Oh, okay. One of these little things is worth 200. So, Save Store, there's Save Store, there's Left's Store, and then there's Low Pricer. I guess that's a different store. So they sold, Save Store sold 200 and another 200, so 400. On which tests did Tim make the same grade? So these are his tests. These are his test scores. Here's his math scores. Which ones did he make the same grade? Well, it's not exactly the same, but 4 and 6 are exactly the same. Okay. My eyes can't. Which part of figure A is misleading? The scores are not the same, or the vertical scale does not begin with 0. Okay, this vertical scale doesn't begin with 0. It would begin at like 50. So I think we type in a 1 or a 2. Which figure is misleading, figure A or figure B? So, I would say figure B, because these little blue cylinders are all supposed to be equal to $200, but this one's way bigger. So it makes you think, oh, it's worth more, but it's really not. So figure B is misleading. How much more did Low Pricer sell than Left's Store? So Low Pricer sold 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, $1,200. Left's Store only sold 200, 400, 600, 800. So Low Pricer sold $400 more than Left's Store. Increase in sales from year and then the percentage of sales. Is either graph misleading? Kind of, because this one doesn't start at 0. So I'm going to say, yeah, it's a little misleading because they represent the same data, but this one makes it look like they made a lot more sales, like they really increased their ability to make sales. And time for the next test.